In today's video we are going to cover Genesis Nitro 650 Howlite White gaming chair, which definitely on the first look leaves a quite nice impression. Now with the black and white combination you get quite outstanding visuals, and I have to admit it was really impressive when checking it out. Now the whole assembly is quite quick, as you've seen in the first minute of the time-lapse video. So it took me about maximum 20 minutes with recording just to assemble the whole chair. And this is frankly quite interesting just because it's the first time that I actually enjoyed building a gaming chair without any issues, problems with screws, problem with threads and everything else. Basically finding the correct screws, because as you can see the screws are already pre-attached to the chair, so you just need to unscrew them, place the right, is it the handles or is it the backrest or whatever, and it's quite cool and easy to assemble it. Now for some specifications, it's ecological leather plus fabric, and we'll get to that part because you know I have a certain opinion on leather. High quality foam, which is a bit harder to sit on, just in terms it's not that soft. But I've been using it for a whole day for now and it's quite comfortable. But then again, it all depends. Are you more into soft cushions, soft foam or hard foam? It's all up to you. Then we have robust construction, which I could definitely confirm. 5-arm base, gas lift rated at 150 kilos with class 4 classification. You have large wheels at 60 millimeters with coating to protect the floor surface, and I have to admit, compared to my old AK Racing gaming chair, the smooth movement on the floor is definitely because of the protection on the wheels, with basically the coating on the wheels. Now you have a couple of possibilities. Armrest can go up and down, it's 1D adjustable. Then the height of the armrest is from 28 to 36.5 centimeters. Since I already skipped this part, base and wheel material is nylon, so yeah, you need to know that as well. Now when we're talking about some dimensions, the recommended height 160 to 195 centimeters. You have backrest height 54 centimeters, backrest height 81 centimeters, seat height is 53.5 centimeters, seat depth is 51 centimeter. The whole seat height is from 124 to 133 centimeters, and adjustable seat height is 46 to 55 centimeters. The chair has butterfly chair mechanism, so this is something in addition to everything. And functions, you have the rocking possibility, reclining seat, adjustable height and armrest. Now when we take a look at the chair a bit closely, you can see that the chair has some nice stitches and they're carefully done in the leather and through the fabric, giving you quite nice visuals. Basically you don't see the difference in stitches. The only thing that could be more effective when we're talking about the chair, if for instance on the black parts we had white stitching and maybe on white parts have black stitching, or vice versa, depending on how it would look. It's something, an experimental part, but I don't even mind that, because at the current looks, it really is really nice. Now, I wanted to say that I want to get back to the ecological leather. Now, you know my opinion, most likely from past reviews. I don't prefer leather and to sit on it, just because on long sessions of gaming or working or whatever, it tends to heat up, and I don't prefer that. I usually go only with the fabric chairs or whatever do I sit on. But in this combination on the seat, where fabric is in the middle, leather is on the sides, and you have a combination on the backrest, it actually doesn't matter. It didn't bother me whatsoever, and it doesn't look like that standard leatherette that will definitely heat up. This some sort of ecological leather is maybe a bit different. I'm not quite sure. I'm not a professional in those materials or to give more opinion on it, but concerning the fact that I was sitting on it for a whole day, I could come to a conclusion that it's quite alright. The handrest is quite easy adjustable. You have a lever, you push it, pull it upwards, and then you can adjust the handrest. The backrest is also quite easily adjustable, because you have a lever on the right side, and you can then just push it backwards or push it, or just leave it so it will pop back forwards. And you have the adjustability to adjust the height of the seat, as I already stated, when it comes to height and everything. The whole construction is really quite solid, and I'm quite positively surprised, that I have to say that. And taking into consideration that, as you can see, the color scheme is quite nice. You have the whole black version as well. I'll place the links below for both versions so you can check it out. But really love the Genesis logo right here. Genesis lettering on the left side, or should I say on the right side, and quite nice. No carbon fiber. That is quite cool, because we're getting bombarded with carbon fiber designs all over the place, and here we have nice black with nice white combination, and that's quite cool, just because there's no carbon fiber. There's a certain position and certain parts that could be carbon fiber, but not in this chair, because this chair as it is looks just outstanding. As I stated, the seat is a bit harder. It has a bit harder foam than your usual gaming chair, so you'll either have to get used to it, or you are already used to harder chairs, harder foam, so there's nothing new for you. Or if you're just used to a soft foam that you just blend in the chair, that's all up to you. I would say that this is a quite nice chair, definitely. You don't have any ergonomical, for instance, let me see. You don't have any ergonomical pillows on the back or on the neck, so this is just straight as it is. That's it. There's nothing left to say. This is really cool. It's just an addition. It doesn't help with anything. It's just with the design, and yeah, that's all there is to it. So guys, this is Genesis Nitro 650 Howlite White gaming chair with quite nice, let me see, quite nice color scheme, black and white going quite nicely all together. So I'll put the links in the description, as already stated, so you can check out the prices and where to buy it. After all, big thumbs up. So guys, if you like the video and the channel in general, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the like button, and of course notification bell, so you don't miss any notification for future videos. And that will be all for today. So hopefully I will see you in another one. Bye bye.